Currently, 3.2 billion people, that is 40% of the world's population, suffer from the continued degradation of ecosystems. For example, by losing access to fertile soil or safe drinking water. World Environment Day is observed on 5th June every year globally. The day aims to promote awareness about protecting the environment and developing possible solutions or alternatives. It calls for contribution from individuals, voluntary organizations, celebrities and communities to participate in activities that are potentially advantageous to the environment, and with digital resources and social media, it is easy to reach out to large number of people and spread awareness. UN General Assembly started the first World Environment Day WED celebrations in 1972. Later in 1974, celebrations took center stage with the theme titled Only One Earth. In 1987, idea of assigning a different host nation every year came into action. The theme for World Environment Day 2021 is Ecosystem Restoration. According to the UN, Pakistan will be the host country for 2021 World Environment Day. Ecosystem restoration can happen by actively planting trees, removing pressures on the ecosystem and reducing the levels of pollution. As the host of World Environment Day, Pakistan will highlight environmental issues and showcase the country's own initiatives and its role in global efforts. The day will be celebrated across the world through various events and activities in line with the latest COVID-19 regulations. A successful celebration happens only when effective campaigns are launched worldwide to publicize these issues and resolutions drawn to create changes. Some of the day's common activities include public education on the environment, cleaning neighborhoods, conducting essay and speech writing competitions, painting, poster making and slogan writing competitions in school. Planting trees, encouraging waste segregation to conserve the environment goes a long way in creating a greener future. 2020 started as a year of reckoning, facing multiple crises including global pandemic and the continued crisis of climate, nature and pollution. This, however, has continued in 2021 as well. In 2021, we must take deliberate steps to move the crisis to healing, and in doing so, we must recognize that the restoration of nature is imperative for survival of our planet and the human race. In order to meet the Sustainable Development Goals, ecosystem degradation must be stopped and restoration undertaken on a massive scale. This includes all environments from forests and oceans to savannas and peatlands. Global ecosystem restoration will also help us build back better from COVID-19, preventing future pandemics and creating millions of jobs. On average, for every dollar spent on restoration, at least $9 of economic benefits can be expected. Currently, there is insufficient support for the hundreds of thousands of restoration initiatives worldwide. Because of this, the UN has decided to make the years 2021 to 2030 the decade for ecosystem restorations. It will provide a platform for governments, private sector companies, civil society and local communities with a focus on indigenous people, women and youth to engage globally and scale up restoration initiatives. It will also focus on best practices for designing, implementing and sustaining restoration initiatives, with a goal of restoring the relationship between humans and nature by expanding healthy ecosystems and halting their degradation. Thank you.